She's definitely doing better anyway.
Huh?
Hey?
Definitely doing that, eh?
Yeah, let's go, dear. I think they wanted them squashed anyway, didn't they? That's where she's headed. Straight to that. Straight in there, nose first. Eh? Oh no, she's complaining she's getting wet. That's it, dear. Well done. Very good. Very good, dear. Right. Look where we're heading. Oh, she's learning. Yeah. Well done, Spike. That's it, look. We're using all the canal. Oh shit! We don't just want one bit of the canal, we want it all. Give way to the right, we're having it all. That's it, dear.